everyone. So, as it seems to be the first non-rainy morning that I've seen in a long time, I thought you might like to have a little nosy around my Shedio. So I've had a little bit of a shuffle and a little bit of a sort and a tidy, and I just thought you might like to see what it looks like at the moment. So I'll just go switch around and then we'll go and have a look. Okay, so welcome to my Shedio. I've had a big old sort and a big old tidy up. You can actually see surface and it's not covered in collage paper. There is collage paper, there is always collage paper, but today it's not covered in collage paper. I'll just give you a little swing around so you can see what it looks like at the moment. So now one of the biggest changes, I'll start here, is that I've made myself a little office space. So I have brought my screen out here, my monitor out here, so that I can sit here, put the blind up, sit here and do some work. And I'm hoping that's going to make me a little bit more productive when I'm doing computer work, editing and the like. They're my new play sheets. So I was having a little bit of play with these, trying to get myself organised. And that painting, it needs some love. I will come back to that soon. Had a big organise, get everything in my trays. They still do look a mess. I've got so much stuff in here. Honestly, I think I've got stuff in here from when I was a teenager. And I was thinking about covering them up somehow, putting a curtain on or something. But at the moment, I've just settled with putting some white paper in there. So there's just a sheet of white paper in the front. I think it does make it look neater. But I did 3 and then lost the will. So that is waiting for me to have some sort of inclination to sort them out, and then I will at some point. Here's this little corner now. I've got a bit of a idea going for a new project. So this is my inspo board with some fab artist work here and some of my photographs of the local area and the sort of colour scheme. So I've got some collage papers out and some colour scheme, and I've started on one of my little sketchbooks. I've painted the first few pages so that I can work on top of that. This little corner here, I made this. This is just a couple of bits of board, and then I covered it in some fabric, and it's just hiding my mess under there. I was just fed up of looking at it. I really like that. I thought that worked really well. Goes with my green theme. Panning round, here's my desk. Here are my lights. Their job is just to bounce light off the ceiling, and my boom arm, I think it's a mic arm that holds my phone usually when I'm videoing down onto the surface. My, well, it's a thing, isn't it? I've got so many paintbrushes. I mean, to be fair, I do use most of them, but I can't help it. If I see a good one, I have to get it. My poor little brushes that just live in a pot. They don't mind. They don't mind. This corner here didn't really get tidied up. I put some of my newer sketchbooks up there because I'm still referencing them. This is my pile of stuff I need to sort out. Here's my filing. Yeah. And like I said, these are some of the sheets that I was having to play with. I might use them for collage. I might paint on top of them. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, so I thought you might be interested in having a little look. It's just a little quickie. Oh, here's my trusty radiator there. Oh, I love it. I actually just stand in front of it and it just heats my legs up. And my trolley, this is my big trolley. This comes out, it's got my paints in and all my inks and all my Posca pens. Also a bit of a thing because I seem to have every single colour and every single colour in ink and paint. And that's my fan for when it's hot. So it's either my fan's out or my radiator's out. My box of collage papers. There's more collage papers in there. So there you go. Hope you find that interesting. Clock's wrong. I haven't got up there to put a new battery in there for ages. It is a job I need to do. I might just go straight in and get a battery. yeah, so I thought you might find that interesting. So there you go, a little sneaky look around my shed, and yeah, it's so nice when it's tidy. I don't know why I can't keep it tidy all the time, but hey, that's what you get from being a creative, I suppose. I mean, it's usually covered in collage paper, so I just thought you might like to see it while it's fairly tidy. But I do love my little Shedio. I'm fully aware of how lucky I am to actually have a space to come out here and work. It does make a big difference to be able to leave your stuff out when you're experimenting with something. So I've made all this planning and I've got everything prepped, but it's just sat there for 2 days while I've been at work. So any space you can create is great. I mean, I worked on my dining table for years, and I really think that if you can make a little bit of space that you could leave your work out, or at least make it easier to keep your work out, keep it in a little tub or something like that, then it makes all the difference. So anyway, I thought you might like to see it because I like to look around other people's studios, and I thought you might like to see my little Shedio where I absolutely love to be. So let me know what you think. Let me know what yours is like if you've got a space. Give me any tips and tricks that you might have if you've got any ideas about anything that could make things work for me. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed that.